like we have a little trapped bird in here. And there he is. So I opened a door over there. And I'm hoping he can figure out that's the way to freedom. Oh, you're going the wrong way, buddy. Maybe I can herd you in the right direction. Yeah, that's the right way. That's the right way. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go to the door. Go to the door.
Go, buddy. You're off this one, too.
Well, no. That one, he's headed to this one. I'm herding him over. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. You're going the right way. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. You're almost there. You're almost free. You're almost free. Oh, there we go. Yay. You're free, little bird. Hope he didn't hurt himself in here and ring his bell or something, because he's not flying yet. But at least you're out now. There you go. Okay. Just a day in the life here at Mid-City Motor World.